Most people believe that changing your life takes years of discipline, suffering, and slow, incremental progress. They think it requires a montage of waking up at 4 a.m. and drinking raw eggs. They are wrong. The truth is, you can fix your entire life in exactly 24 hours. I know, that sounds like clickbait. It sounds like a scam you'd see on a late-night infomercial. But the reason you haven't changed yet isn't because you lack time. It isn't because you lack willpower. It's because you are trying to change your actions without changing your operating system. You are trying to install new software on a broken computer. Today, we are going to fix the hardware. We are going to reset your identity. And the best part? It doesn't take a year. It only takes one day.
The problem. Why habits fail.
Here is the cycle you are stuck in. And be honest with yourself, because we have all been there. You get motivated at 2 a.m. You promise yourself, tomorrow I change. You start a new habit, maybe the gym, maybe saving money. You push hard for 2 weeks using pure willpower. But eventually, the motivation fades. It always does. You miss one day, then 2. And suddenly, you are back exactly where you started, but now you feel guilty. You feel like a failure. Why does this happen? Why is it so hard to stick to simple things? It happens because of psychological cybernetics. Your identity, the person you believe you are deep down, is like a thermostat. If you believe you are a lazy person, your brain will subconsciously sabotage your gym habit to bring you back to your lazy baseline. To fix your life, we have to stop focusing on what you do and start focusing on who you are.
The solution. Gamification.
The most effective way to hack this thermostat is to treat your life like a video game. Think about it. When you play a video game, you don't get emotional when your character fails. You don't cry when Mario falls in a pit. You just respawn and adjust the strategy. You view the character objectively. Right now, you are too attached to your current self. You are too attached to your past stories of I'm not good enough or I always quit. The one-day protocol is about character selection. We are going to design a new character, your future self, and for the next 24 hours, you are going to play as them. You are going to method act. You are not trying to be healthy. You are playing a character who is healthy. The difference seems small, but it changes everything. There is no trying. There is only the shift.
Step 1. The anti-vision. The morning.
So, how do we start this 24-hour protocol? We don't start with positive affirmations. Those are weak. We start with pain. Human beings are evolved to run away from danger twice as fast as we run toward pleasure. We need to leverage that biological fear. I want you to sit down and write your anti-vision. Ask yourself this terrifying question. If I change nothing, if I keep living exactly as I am today, what does my life look like in 5 years? Don't sugarcoat it. Be specific. Visualize the health problems that come from your bad diet. Visualize the empty bank account from your lack of focus. Visualize the regret in your eyes when you look in the mirror, the loneliness, the wasted potential. You need to make it visceral. You need to see the cliff edge so clearly that your brain understands that staying the same is dangerous. This fear is your fuel. It is the rocket engine that will blast you out of your current orbit. Now that you are awake, we can build. Clear the slate. Pick up the pen. It's time to design.
Step 2. The vision. The character design.
Once you have the anti-vision and you feel that fear, you flip the page. Now we design the avatar. This is your vision. But here is where most people mess up. Don't just write, I want $1 million or I want a six-pack. Those are results. You can't act out a result. You can only act out a behavior. I want you to write down how this character lives. What time do they wake up? How do they speak? When they walk into a room, what is their posture like? Do they scroll on TikTok for 2 hours in the morning? No, they don't. Do they eat garbage food when they get stressed? No, they don't.
You need to define the standard of this new character, because for the next 24 hours, and hopefully the rest of your life, you are not you. You are them. You are simply an actor following a script.
Accept the role. Wear the identity. Step into the light. You are ready. Let's begin the day.
Step 3. Breaking autopilot, the day.
Now the preparation is done. The day begins. This is where the battle is won or lost. Research shows that 40 to 50% of your daily actions are done on autopilot. You check your phone without thinking, you react to anger without pausing, you drive to work and don't remember the trip. To fix your life in one day, you must break the autopilot. Here is the tactic. Set alarms on your phone. Every 2 hours, label them check in. When that alarm goes off, freeze. Look at what you are doing. Ask yourself, is this what my new character would be doing? If you are scrolling social media and your new character is a focused entrepreneur, you are breaking character. Stop immediately. Correct course. This constant awareness is what rewires your brain. You are teaching yourself that you are in control of your actions, not your impulses.
You are conscious. You are awake. The software is updating. The new you is taking over.
Step 4. The review. The evening.
The day ends. You are tired. Your brain is exhausted from the effort of being conscious all day. Your old self, the zombie, wants to binge watch TV and zone out. It wants to reclaim control. But the new character does one last thing: data analysis. Sit down with your journal. Look at your day. Where did you slip? Where did the old habits sneak back in? Do not judge yourself. Guilt is useless. Just observe. Oh, I got distracted at 2 p.m. Why? I was bored. Okay, noted. Tomorrow, when I get bored, I will go for a walk instead of opening Instagram. This evening review prevents you from drifting off course. It keeps the new identity locked in. It proves to your brain that you are serious.
You have won the day. Rest now. The progress is saved. Tomorrow we go again.
The conclusion. The compound effect.
You might be thinking, but that's just one day. How does that fix my life? It fixes your life because a life is nothing more than a string of days. We overestimate what we can do in a month, but we underestimate what we can do in a day. If you can live one day in alignment with your new identity, truly, fully, without compromise, you prove to yourself that it is possible. You shatter the belief that you can't change. Then you just have to do it again and again. But don't worry about the rest of your life. Don't worry about next year. Just win the 24 hours in front of you. It starts with one day. It starts today.
Stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is a myth. It does not exist.
The only time you have is right now. No one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself.
You have your anti-vision. You have your new character design. You have the tools.
Now stop planning and start executing. Close the books and do the work. These deep dive videos take a lot of effort to create. If you found value here today, the best way to say thanks is to like and subscribe. Welcome to Day 1.